Should I replace both my furnace and air conditioner together? Often yes, because replacing both at the same time can improve efficiency, reduce repair headaches, and make sure the two systems work well together. When a furnace and air conditioner are installed together, they are often sized and matched to work as a team, kind of like two puzzle pieces that fit better when they come from the same set. That matters because the blower, thermostat, coils, and controls all need to communicate in a smooth way. If one unit is old and the other is new, you can end up with weaker comfort, more noise, and higher energy use. A newer system can also remove moisture better in summer and keep temperatures steadier in winter. Something many people do not know is that the indoor coil can be a major reason to replace both units together, because an old coil may not match a new air conditioner very well. Another thing to watch is refrigerant type, since older equipment may use parts and refrigerants that are harder or more expensive to service. If your furnace is near the end of its life and your air conditioner is close too, replacing both at once can save on labor and avoid paying for separate installs later. The best move is to ask for a full home comfort check, so you know whether one system is still worth keeping or whether both are aging out together. A common mistake is replacing only the broken unit without checking the age of the other one, because that can leave you with two systems that do not pair well. A simple tip is to ask the contractor how old each unit is and whether the indoor and outdoor parts are compatible. Another thing people miss is that a cheap repair on an old system can turn into repeated service calls, so paying attention to repair history matters. A good rule is that if repair costs are stacking up, replacement may be the smarter choice. People also forget to think about installation quality, and even a great unit can perform badly if the ductwork, sizing, or setup is off. Ask for a load calculation and make sure the contractor explains it in plain language. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.